Welcome back to my channel. In this video, you'll learn how to send WhatsApp messages or chats with someone without having to save their contacts. For example, chatting with temporary acquaintances who do not necessarily need to end up in your contact list. So here is how to start a WhatsApp chat without saving a number. Number 1. Open a browser on your phone or desktop or your laptop and type the link just as I type it. Put the HTTPS and then followed by this link wa.me/ then you put the country code. Add the country code of the recipient. In this case, the country code for Nigeria is 234. This is usually followed by the registered WhatsApp mobile number of the person you want to chat with, that is the recipient. Number 3. Upon visiting the page, WhatsApp will direct you to a website with a green message button. On the green message button, click on the button to start chatting with the number you entered. Tapping this button will drop you into your WhatsApp chat session, or if it is your system, it's going to take you to where you are going to have to download the web version for WhatsApp to be able to chat this person. You could also create your own link with a pre-filled message using this format. The pre-filled message will automatically appear in the text feed of your chat. For example, to create a pre-filled message like "Welcome to my WhatsApp platform," here is a coding format or command that you should follow. Do this and then create your own message by just adding the percentage sign and the number 20 in between each word contained in your message, just as it is done on screen. After clicking on the continue to chat link, you will be directed to the chat page of the contact you want to message. So users can make use of these steps to message a registered WhatsApp number on both Android and iOS devices without the need to save the contact in your list. That's it. Enjoy chatting without saving contacts. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification for more updates on this channel. Thank you for watching.